Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Google Pay profile is ready and verified. This avoids blocks when buying. Once done, add a payment method, card or bank, because gift purchases require a valid source. Make sure two-step verification is on to speed identity checks. Now open the app, tap Buy or Payments, and choose Gift Cards. You're taking these first actionable steps to reach the purchase screen quickly and securely so you can pick an amount and issue without delays. You now select the exact gift card and amount, pick preset values like $5 or enter a custom sum if available. Next, choose the payment source and check for promo codes or reward credits to reduce cost. If Google Pay requests verification, ID confirmation, or a quick selfie, complete it to avoid purchase failure. After confirming details, authorize the transaction using your card PIN or biometric. This sequence ensures the transaction clears, and the digital code is issued without. You'll get the gift card code instantly in the app and by email. Copy it or add to Google Wallet for easy redemption. If sending as a gift, enter the recipient's email or phone and include a message, then confirm. The app shows delivery status. If the code doesn't arrive, check your transactions, spam folder, and any pending holds on your payment method. Make sure the email matches. For persistent problems, contact Google Pay support with the transaction ID so they can trace or refund the purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.